Alright, so we got Milwaukee impact driver. Of course it'll work now. But actually, you see, it's going the same direction as you switch to this thing, and yeah, then nothing. Doesn't chooch anymore. So I'm going to do my best AVE type video here. We'll see. Won't be as good, but we'll try. So there's a 5-year warranty on these, and if you look, I don't know if you'll be able to see. You look here, there's a code. Let's see, there we go. Maybe you can see right there. It'll have some letters and numbers, and then at the end there's 4 digits. The first 2 digits of that, where it says, you can kind of see where it says 14, that's the year. And then you have 5 years after that for the warranty, which obviously this is 2020, so this is out of warranty. So we're going to give her a go and see what we can do. See what's inside. This is a fuel, so it should be brushless. See if I get all the fasteners. All right, get under the skirt here. Here she is. Oh, there's something with spring sprung. That's good. That guy. Looks pretty nasty inside the case there. As others have mentioned, lots of grease and goo moving around in there, but carefully. Just locked. Ooh, she's flinging stuff at me. Ooh, she's got a good wobble to her. Woo! Some people have said these connections in here are no good. A little metal piece here to figure out where the heck that came from. May have been what came flying out of there. Yeah, superfluous parts. You always end up with those. Should be chooching good now. I think we're going to have to take that switch out and take a look at that. Carefully. Check all the pixie pass. Okay, well, we had our A part. I didn't find anything specifically wrong with it. I'm guessing maybe it was a loose connection, but it seems to be working fine. Forward, reverse, all these. So apparently my ugly towel healing mat worked and fixed it. Who knows what fixed it, but just taking it apart and put it back together. That was my best attempt at a AVE type video. Not very good. Thanks for watching.